Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make rice marbles, that is Ammini Kozhukkattai. Ammini Kozhukkattai is made with rice flour. It's a very simple dish. I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. Here 1 cup of water I have boiled with little oil and salt. Now we will pour this in the rice flour. Mix well and keep it covered. I have mixed the water, and this 1 cup water is perfect for this 1 cup rice flour, and keep it covered for 5 to 10 minutes and make balls, small balls like this, and steam it. Some rice flour absorbs more water, some rice flour absorb less water. So always keep handy little hot water aside, and if it is required you can add, and if it is not required you don't have to add. That you add the When you add the water, you will be able to make out whether it is required or not. When you mix with the rice flour, after mixing with the rice flour, just see the rice flour whether it is binding or not. If it is binding, then it is enough. Otherwise, always you can sprinkle little hot water and make the dough accordingly. Now small balls make like this and steam it. Then afterwards we will temper it with mustard seeds, Urid dal, curry leaves. If you want plain, you can make it like that. If you want little masala, you can add gunpowder or chilli powder. Or you can also add the masalas in the rice flour, mix it, then add the hot water. That way also you can do it. You can also add chopped green chilli, grated coconut in the rice flour and mix it. Or after tempering, you can add the grated coconut. Whatever way you want, you can make varieties of this rice marbles. I have posted in my blog the other method, that is mixing the water in the rice flour and cook it, then make the rice balls and steam it like. So this way I found it a little easier, so I am following this method. One of our friend had asked for the recipe, so when I checked my channel, I realized that I haven't posted it like every time we make this, but I forgot to upload the video. So for the viewer, I made this and uploading the video. Thank you, my dear friend, for asking for this recipe. See, like this you can make and steam. This is a similar method we make dough for idiyappam. I will give the link in the description box for the idiyappam recipe. I made the balls out of this, and now I'll steam it. I have kept water for steaming the rice balls. You can use the idli plate or a plate like this. Grease it and keep the rice balls on top of it, or you can put a banana leaf on top of it and place the rice balls, or just keep a wet cloth on top of the plate. And place the balls. Steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just separate them, otherwise it will stick to each other. Water is hot. Now cover it and steam it. Let us check whether the rice balls are cooked or not. They are cooked nicely. Now we will allow them to cool. Switch off the gas. Remove it from the gas. I have transferred it into a plate. Now remove it because it is sticking to each other. Separate them. Allow to cool. I'm adding little oil and coating this. Nicely coated with oil. Now we will temper with the mustard seeds, Urid Dal, curry leaves, Hing powder and the gunpowder. I have put 2 teaspoons of oil in it. The oil is hot. We put the mustard seeds. When it splutter, add the Urid Dal, curry leaves, a pinch of Hing powder, mix this well. I'll put the other video also as per my blog. Now add the gunpowder. Now add the rice balls in it. Give a good mix. Our Ammini Kozhukkattai is ready. This you can eat as it is, or you can serve it with chutney. There is no need for chutney actually. This tastes awesome. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. It's ready to serve. The mini Kozhukkattai is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.